Samsung's been on top of the smartphone game for a while, but let's be real, its designs and features haven't exactly been groundbreaking lately. The company's kind of settled into a comfortable groove, but hey, they know it and even apologized for it. We get it, though, after years of dominating the market, it's tough to keep the innovation flowing. But there's good news, Samsung's new smartphones are coming soon. The big Galaxy Unpacked event is happening on January 22, and Samsung is already letting folks make reservations to score $50 off their future purchase. While we don't have all the deets on the Galaxy S25 series just yet, leaks and rumors are already giving us a sneak peek. The latest leak from WinFuture shows renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25. The design doesn't stray too far from the Galaxy S24 series, but we're seeing some tweaks, like a more rounded design and more prominent camera lenses. Plus, we're getting a first look at potential wallpapers for the new phones and even some sleek, clear cases. The cases have a magnetic ring, which could mean support for Qi 2 charging, according to previous rumors. We still don't know everything, but we don't have to wait much longer. Galaxy Unpacked is just around the corner. If the S25 series has you intrigued or you're looking to upgrade, be sure to sign up for those $50 savings once the phones drop. Plus, you'll be entered into a raffle for a $5,000 Samsung gift card. And that's not all. Samsung's offering up to $300 in instant credit when you reserve and pre-order a device announced on January 22. And if you trade in your current phone, you could get up to $900 in credit depending on the device and its condition. But wait, there's more. With the Galaxy S25, you could get free access to Gemini Advance, worth $20 per month. Thanks to Samsung's partnership with Google, you'll get 3 months free with the S25, 6 months with the S25 Plus, and a full year with the S25 Ultra. That's some serious AI goodness coming your way. Plus, we'll also get the advanced version of Bixby, so artificial intelligence on this phone is going to be next level. So, what do you think of the new Galaxy S25 renders? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.